This is the Genesis GV70 all-wheel drive, 83 mpge. That's horribly inefficient. For $74,000 with a 236 mile range. Yikes. But the interior is really, really nice. Very comfortable. I highly doubt that front trunk opens. I mean, it's a good looking thing, but good Lord, 236 miles of range for $74,000 and 83 mpge. That's like, I think the Cybertruck has more efficiency than that. 265, 45, 20 wheels. Parking sensors all around. Decent amount of storage, probably less than a RAV4. Oh man. So he wants $74,000 for this brand new, 158 miles of range. And you can pick these up a 2023 for about $32,000, so basically half the price. Holy mackerel. I mean, it's a nice interior, but 230 miles of range? Yikes. I'm just shocked. Oh, it's locked, but this does slide to a 120 volt outlet. Got a cigarette adapter there. And that drops the seat down, which is kind of cool. But it's a very small back seat, very tight. Very plush though. Yeah, sitting in the back seat, I mean, you can see, very tight.
The warranty, 5 year 60, 10, 100, 5 years, unlimited miles, roadside assistance. We have a telematics system called Genesis Intelligent Assistant. It allows you to find the car, start the car, cool it down, heat it up, theft-free recovery. And I'm going to go down a little bit. So that's much better. If I'm still in green, then I just set it for 1 or 2. Huh. The light, the flash, they got the flasher system on. Right. Sound design, you can put the sounds of the engine through the car to make it sound fun. Seats, lights. There's ambient lighting. There's 64 different colors inside.
Right.
The car, you can do all of that. Let me see, did I start it? I'm ready.
So to sum up real quick, while I watch the dealer thumb through all the menus in this car with this relatively small screen, it's a really weird contrast in this car. It does 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds, 12-second quarter mile, but the low range, very expensive price, only under 30 cubic feet of storage space. I just felt like it's a lot of compromises. And what's really weird is I feel like the Hyundai Kia Genesis group makes the Kia EV9, which is actually one of my favorite electric vehicles. And if I didn't have a Tesla, that's probably would be #1 on my list. So I feel like this GV70 is kind of a miss. So please, please don't buy this. Go buy a Kia EV9 essentially, which is actually, you can get it for almost the same price. And you have twice as much space. It does 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. I think it looks better. And probably not as plush of an interior, but I think the EV9 is an amazing vehicle.